Hi guys, Gout job information for you based on chemistry. So we have a notification from Staff Selection Commission for Scientific Assistant post based on chemistry. Post code CR11219. Number of vacancies 20. For unreserved candidate 9. For SC candidates 2. For ST candidates 3. For OBC candidates 6. Age limit 18 years to 30. Age relaxation for SC/ST candidates 5 years, for OBC 3 years, PWD candidates 10 years, PWD plus SC/ST 15 years, PWD plus OBC 13 years. Qualification, graduation and above. Exam, online exam. Application fee for unreserved and OBC candidates it is 100 rupees. For SC/ST PWD candidates no fee. Last date of application here 31st August 2019. Official website, so just look at ssc.nic.in for the complete information about it. Thank you very much.